All right, scholars. So yesterday we talked about comparison word problems where we found how many more and how many fewer and thought about all the different strategies we could use to solve those problems. Today we're going to focus on what number sentence matches the story. So your thinking job, everybody say my thinking job. What equation matches the story problem? So let's go to today's story problem. At the bike store, they keep lots of bikes in stock. There are 13 red bikes and 17 blue bikes in the store. How many more blue bikes than red bikes are there? I'm going to read it again as I show you all. At the bike store, they keep lots of bikes in stock. There are 13 red bikes and 17 blue bikes in the store. How many more blue bikes than red bikes are there? So we're going to solve this problem because we have to figure out how many more red bikes than blue bikes it is. Or how many blue bikes than red bikes it is. So our green is going to represent our blue bikes. So remember, scholars, we have 17 blue bikes. Let's recount to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 blue bikes. And we have 13 red bikes. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So to compare them, remember, we have to set them on the table to make sure they're even. And make it even and then take the rest off. So as you see, they're even right here and then take the rest off. And remember, your extra is always your answer. So let's figure out our answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know there are 4 more blue bikes than red bikes. If you do not have cubes, we're going to solve this on our whiteboard. And you can also solve it using paper and pencil. So we already know we have 13 red bikes and we have 17 blue bikes. So we have to count on to figure out how many more blue bikes we have than red bikes. So we know to count on, we always put the number in our head. So we're going to put 13 in our head. Everybody put it in your head. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many more, call out? 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also write it in here. So we have 13. We're trying to get to 17. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we know our answer is what, call out? 4. Yes, 4. So now, remember, we have to have a number sentence to match our story problem. Let's go back to our story problem. At the bike store, they keep bikes in stock. There are 13 red bikes and 17 blue bikes. How many more blue bikes there are than red bikes? So we're trying to figure out how many more. And we know it's 4. So we know we started with 4. We started with 13. How many more do we need to get to 17? So we can do 13 plus, what's our answer, call out? Yes, 4 equals to 17. Or we can use our subtraction. 17 minus how many more? 4 equal 13. Now, I want you to do this by yourself. Your story problem is Talise saw 9 blue bikes at the store. She saw 5 red bikes at the store. How many more blue bikes did she see than red bikes? Parents, if you do not have this worksheet, you can write this story problem on a blank piece of paper and have them solve it. Remember, scholars, you're trying to figure out what number sentence matches the story. Use the strategies you know to help you figure this out.